Prime Minister Narendra Modi has called upon the scientific community to work on the subjects that meet the increasing needs of India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share his thoughts with the people of the country and abroad in the Mann Ki Baat program on All India Radio at 11 am on the 29th of this month. The Ministry of Defence, the Ministry of Education, the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and all the three services have signed MOUs with various stakeholders to facilitate the continued education of Agniveers while serving in the armed forces. A total of 175 new cases of COVID have been reported in the country during the last 24 hours. In cricket, India defeated Sri Lanka by 2 runs in the first T20 encounter of the 3-match series at Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai last night.